guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you everything that I'm loving, everything I'm currently obsessed with, fashion, skincare, food, random things, house stuff. I've got a lot of random good finds that I've been wanting to share with you guys, and I wanted to put it all in one video so you can come back and find it. I will share links to everything. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I make new videos every week. Okay. Trying to think what I should start with. I think let's do clothes because I kind of have a lot of stuff that I've really been loving lately. So first up, let's start with Alo Yoga. They are my newest obsession. It's something about their colors. Like they just do the best colors. So I just recently got this set, which is the really cute kind of like snake print and the neon green sports bra and the leggings. They're just so comfortable and easy to wear, and they're so like, I want to say like they suck you in, like they just feel like they're really tight, but in a good way, like not in an uncomfortable way, but where you feel like supported kind of way. And I just think their colors are awesome. So this is the blue set I just got with the really cute little cropped sweatshirt that's kind of like loose and cozy. Basically, I'm on their email list, and every time they drop a new color, I'm the first one on the site ready to shop. So I will link some of my favorites for you guys. As far as sizing goes, from what I've noticed on their size guide, it says a 2-4 is an extra small. So I usually buy extra small bottoms and then I get a medium top, and that works really well for me. Sometimes I'll buy a small bottom if they're out of extra small, and that usually works fine too. But I do notice that the extra small, it fits a little bit better, because sometimes the small, because they're a little big, they can ride down. So keep that in mind. Try to go true to size if you can. But yeah, I love their biker shorts. I love their leggings, their sports bras. Everything just fits amazing, feels amazing, and it's so cute and stylish. And it's like you can wear it for more than just working out. You can like really style it up cute. So speaking of styling it up cute, I have been really into this crossbody bag. So this is from Nike. It's actually kind of a funny story how I bought it. So I was trying to buy Michael a Father's Day present. I was getting him an Apple Watch, and I didn't want him to know, so I bought it from Nike, like the Nike Apple Watch. And so I was like, let me buy myself a couple things so that he doesn't suspect that I got him something. And I don't know why I thought this would be nice to have when we go on walks, but it has been my main purse. I carry it every single day. It is perfect for mom life, perfect for summer, going on walks, going to the grocery, like simple things. We're all doing simple things this summer, which I love, and I needed a simple bag. So this is awesome. You can lengthen the strap if you want to wear it more like, I think it looks kind of cute to wear it like this, but you could also wear it down crossbody like that if it's more comfortable. So you can adjust the strap. It fits a ton. I will link it down below. They have ones that have a more prominent Nike logo, some different colors. I like this one. I just feel like it's simple, it's cute. It goes with every kind of workout outfit that I wear, or just with like jeans and a tee. Okay, let's talk shoes here for a second. So I bought these shoes back in January, I believe. They were really hard to find. They were selling out everywhere. I'm just strapping them up so I can show you guys. I've worn them a lot on Instagram. I didn't show when I got them because I just didn't even think about it, but this is what they are. They are like Chanel Birkenstocks. You're either gonna absolutely love them or absolutely hate them. If you hate them, I don't care. They're not your feet. You don't gotta wear them. I love them, and that's what matters. I think they are so cute. I just think if you can't have fun with your shoes, like come on. This is just something fun and cute, and it takes it's just a fun twist on Chanel. It's just so unexpected for me, and I just think it's really cute. And I've said this before, but if I do ever buy designer shoes, I buy something extremely comfortable, because I'm never wearing heels. I never wear heels, and if I do, I wear really small little heels just out to dinner, and I prefer to spend like $30, $40 on those type of shoes, and then invest more in shoes that I can wear daily. So basically every time I leave the house, I'm figuring out a way to wear these shoes. They're really comfortable, they're really cute. I got the fabric pair. You probably can't see here, but they are quilted like the bags, and then it's the rhinestone CCs. Yeah, I don't know if you're gonna be able to get them anymore because I got them a long time ago, but size 37, super cute. But just a black Birkenstock would give you a very similar effect. A lot of brands are doing very similar shoes right now. I was just lucky to be able to get my hands on those. Speaking of Birkenstocks, I wanted a pair of shoes that I could wear when I wanted to wear sandals like that, but I didn't want to wear those because I was going to wear them like in the yard for gardening or playing with Julian or by the pool or whatever. So Michael actually found me these Birkenstocks at Dick's. I will try to link them for you guys, but they're really cute. They're just basic white slides, but I think white makes your feet look really tan. They're really comfortable. They're just like, you know, like they're like the traditional Nike or Adidas slides. I'm sure they were probably affordable, but they're great and they give a similar look to those. So I've been wearing these a lot too. You guys know I love to mix high and low. I will wear those Chanel sandals with my $25 Nike bag, and I love both of them just as much. I think that is so cute and cool to be able to mix different pieces. Another clothing item I have been really into is, I always love basics, but Abercrombie basics are killing it right now. I did a full post on Instagram stories and also on my website, so I will link the website post down below for you guys. I'll also show it right here, but I did a huge try-on haul of everything I bought for the summer from Abercrombie, and their basic tanks literally kill it. They are so comfortable and they're form-fitting, but they're not tight, and they're flattering. They're super cute. They're really affordable. They always go on sale, true to size. So here I have the bodysuit, which is really cute too, a great neckline. But you guys always ask me about like that V-neck Henley style one, so I'll make sure to link that down below too. They're just great tank tops. You can totally dress them up with heels and jeans and wear them out for a date night, or you can just wear them with your sweats lounging around the house. What I also love about them is you can wear a regular bra with them because you won't see it on the sides or on the straps. It's a little bit of a thicker strap, so it's perfect. Let's move into some house stuff. So we moved into this house in September, and it was a busy, crazy year, and we are just now getting around to finally decorating our house. As you can see, I'm in my fully decorated new little office. It's so cute. We worked with a decorator named Claire Kennedy, and she has been amazing, and I love the way the house is coming out. So if you want to see all of that, make sure you watch the vlog channel, but I am going to do full tours on this channel later on, probably this month and next month once everything gets completely finished. But I thought, what a perfect time to invest in some new sheets, some new towels, get the house feeling like fresh and ready for summer and all white and bright. So I can't remember where I heard of Brooklinen, probably on someone's sponsored video, but you guys, it is so good. Like, I would love to be sponsored by Brooklinen. Their towels are amazing. They are so fluffy and thick, but not heavy. And I love that. Like, they are just very luxurious. They are totally hotel, like they are a hotel luxurious resort towel. So this is just the hand towel, and it is so big and fluffy, and they have a bunch of different colors. I love white because I just love a good crisp clean white, and I love being able to bleach things if they get dirty. If you have a toddler, then you probably know what I'm talking about, where you need to be able to just easily clean things. And people, I think, always think white is the hardest, but I think it's the easiest because you can just bleach it. But yeah, I love their towels. While I was on there, I was like, we need new sheets anyway, so I picked up a pair of their sheets. I will link the exact ones, but they're like the linen sheets. So we have used Restoration Hardware sheets for a couple years now. They're linen ones, and I love them, but I can't tell a difference. We changed our sheets with them last week, and I would have had no idea if nobody told me they're identical sheets. I actually don't know which one is higher or lower price, but they're so good. So if you're looking for good linen sheets, if you've never used linen sheets, you should try it. They're very hotel vibes, and that's what I wanted for my bedroom and my bathroom. Just very calming, peaceful hotel vibes, and Brooklinen sheets and towels are freaking awesome. They're so good. And I think we got like a whole set. I want to say it's called like the move-in set or the new house set or something, but you get hand towels, washcloths, body towels, and a bath mat to put outside of your shower. And they did have an option. They have like a bath towel, or they have like a bath blanket, they call it. I did not get that. I would not want a huge, overwhelming towel. I'm not a huge person. Michael isn't a huge person, so I just got the regular, like, traditional size towels. So next up, we have an Amazon favorite that I'm actually using right now, but it is these new cups. I'll insert a close-up so you guys can see. They come in a bunch of different variations, but they're just really pretty glass water cups. We kind of have like every cup imaginable except a simple water glass for when people come over or when I want to drink a glass of water. Sometimes I don't want to drink out of a Yeti or like a big water bottle. I prefer just to have a glass of water sometimes, and I didn't have a cup to do that, believe it or not. So I got these on Amazon. We use them all the time. I don't know what it is, but we always have people at our house, it feels like, and it was nice to actually have like a good water cup. I felt like we had small juice cups and we had big Yetis, but we didn't have something in between. So these are awesome. I have gotten really into matcha lately. I was trying to lessen my caffeine intake. I feel like it wasn't doing me any good and I was really relying on it, and I was also having a hard time falling asleep. So I'm just trying to cut the amount of coffee I drink. I'll still have it, but I've been trying to switch over to matcha in the mornings, and I did get a little bit of a headache like the first week, but now I will say this, I'm falling asleep a lot easier. I'm waking up about an hour and a half earlier than I normally do without an alarm, without anything. Like, I'm just naturally waking up. I have a lot more energy when I wake up and I'm feeling really good. So I recommend matcha. If you've never tried it, it's just a version of green tea. It's a Japanese green tea. And I had some problems with it at first, and I shared that with you guys on Instagram. I had always kind of had matcha in my kitchen, you know, for here and there when I was just craving something in the afternoon and wanted to make a little tea. But it wasn't working like the way that I would get it at restaurants, where it's so good and creamy and smooth. At home it was like clumpy and dusty and too earthy and just not right. So I asked for your guys' tips and recommendations on how to make a great at-home matcha latte that was just as smooth and creamy as the ones you get at restaurants. And the biggest tip that has worked the best for me is switching to ceremonial grade. So there's culinary grade and there's ceremonial grade, which is just like a little bit better, I think. That has made the biggest difference. So before, when I had the other matcha that I just got from the store, I'd have to like sift it through a sifter, I'd have to put it in the blender, do a lot of different things to get it to actually be creamy, which was fine, and I liked the way that it tasted. But as soon as I switched to this, it's just a lot lower maintenance, it's a lot easier. So I will do a half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of this in a little bowl, and then I'll do a little bit of boiling water, like maybe 4 teaspoons, 3 tablespoons, I don't even know, just a little bit. I'll do a little bit of boiling water, and then I take this whisk and I'll stir it around, I'll go back and forth for like 10 seconds and it's done. It's so easy. Then you just rinse this off in the sink and you set it on this little stand to dry so you can use it again the next day. It is so convenient. It tastes so good. So what I'll do after I mix the water and the matcha together, I'll pour it in my mug, and then I'll pour a little of my steamed coconut milk, and you can do a little honey, a little cinnamon, and it's so sweet and good. Yeah, before I was making it in the blender. I was doing the same ingredients but putting it all in a blender. That's a really great way to do it too. I've just found that with this exact matcha, I don't need to use the blender because it blends up with the whisk just fine. It tastes great. So this is key. I got this off Amazon as well as the little whisk. Moving on to a little bit of skincare, I have been really into Tula lately. All of their products I think are really unique, and they really solve a problem that I had, or like a space that I had in my skincare routine. So first up is their Rose Glow and Get It. It's a cooling and brightening eye balm. It's, first of all, the packaging is great. I love this, just like an easy little stick. But I had saw people use this on Instagram and I thought, like, isn't that like tugging at their eyes? How is that good? But when I tell you this glides on, it really glides on under the eyes. Like, you are not tugging at all. It is so smooth and it feels so refreshing under your eyes. I love it. I usually will use those like little cooling eye pads under my eyes, and I love those. I think they're so fun. But I don't always use them on a daily basis because I feel like, I don't know, I just don't want to waste them, I guess you could say. So I try not to use them every single day, but this gives me the same effect. So it cools under my eyes, it depuffs a little bit, it brightens them, helps my eyes feel awake. It's just kind of a refreshing thing to do in the morning. And I don't know if you can see the color, but it's kind of like a iridescent pinky flesh color. So when you put it on, it truly brightens under your eye. It's amazing the difference it makes. It's so good. I actually have a coupon code, I think, so I will write it here for you guys, but I love this. I also really love their SPF. I've been using that on a daily basis. It has something in it that gives your skin a really pretty glow to where you don't need makeup on top. I love it. But I even use it on days where I am wearing makeup. And then speaking of a no makeup glow, I really love the Luxe Illuminating Self Tan Drops. I will add these to my moisturizer at night and I will put it on all over. Well, I'll explain to you how I put it on, but when you wake up in the morning, you have a nice glow. But I know some people get a little confused on how to use this. When I say put it on all over, I mean in a calculated way. So you don't want to just like slather this on like you would your moisturizer. You want to put it on, like think of the places where you'd put bronzer or contour. That's kind of where I put this, and that's when I have the best results. So I'll mix about 3 to 5 drops in with my moisturizer. I'll rub it in with my hands, and then I'll usually start kind of back here where I feel like my face can kind of handle the most intense color. And I'll kind of put it right here where I would normally put contour. And then I'll take what's left and I'll go up on my forehead, and then I'll go underneath my jaw, a little on my nose. And then if I feel like it's kind of running low at that point, I don't have much more left, I'll go ahead and take another pump of my moisturizer just to kind of get whatever's left over on my fingers, and then I'll go across my whole face. So I've concentrated most of the product where I would put bronzer or contour, and then I'm blending it in with whatever's left on my fingers. You want to make sure to blend it because you don't want like lines here. Hope that makes sense. But I get a lot of questions on that, and I think whenever I share that that's how I do it, a lot of people are like, oh, okay, now I get it. And then make sure you wash your hands after and clean your fingers really well so you don't get that stain. I hate that stain. It's a dead giveaway. So those are kind of the big things that I'm loving lately. As always, I share things on a daily basis over on my Instagram stories. I pretty much vlog there pretty much on a daily basis, at least on the weekdays, share with you guys products I'm loving, recipes I'm loving, food, clothes, workouts, all of it. So if you want to see more of my day-to-day life, check me out there, or also my vlog channel where I vlog a lot of fun home decor stuff if you're curious about seeing that. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.